How to use Walmart app to find items in store. So if you want to use Walmart app to find items in store, then first open up your Walmart application, or you can just go with the browser. Now once you're under your browser, make sure to log into your account. Now if you want to find items in store, then here under the search bar, like on the bottom of the search bar, you will have how do you want your items, right? So tap on it. And here you need to add the address. So you just need to simply go with add address, and then you need to add your address or the store address which is near you. Now just roll it up and you need to go with search, and here you need to search for an item. So for example, I'll be choosing headphones. Now once you search for headphones, just wait till it loads. Scroll down and then choose a headphone that you like. For example, I'll be choosing this one. And once you've chosen, just scroll down, and here you will have the address which is right here. So you will have the delivery address right here. So if it is available near you, then you will have an option of available, but if it is not, then it will say it's not available, or here you can see delivery not available or pickup not available. So you can just simply see the address and just go with add to cart or order that item. You can go and pick up the item from the address, or you can just go with search Walmart and then search for the store name. And once you search for the store name, then you may find the store name and you can see the items in that store. So that's how you can use Walmart app to find items in the store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.